Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir is a captivating science fiction novel that expertly blends hard science with a compelling, character-driven story similar to legendary author Michael Crichton. The book follows Ryland Grace, a lone astronaut who wakes up on a spaceship with no memory of his mission. As his memory returns, he slowly realizes that he must use his scientific skills to tackle daunting challenges and save humanity from a looming catastrophe. The writing is engaging and the science is accessible, making complex concepts easy to grasp while maintaining suspense and humor. With its unexpected twists and moments of ingenuity, Project Hail Mary is a must-read for science fiction fans and anyone who loves stories of survival and human resilience.